Do you have a lot of zucchini flowers that have not been set? Well, apparently I have a lot of ants going into my zucchini flowers, but you know what? That's okay. So I have a zucchini here that I did just what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I'm gonna take the male flower. You could tell it's a male because there's no fruit set on it. And this one is a female because it has the fruit just before it. And it's the same with melons as well. So let's get to it. Right here. Be careful not to get the main stem. And then I like to actually peel off the flower. Just a second. And this allows you to basically get, it's more accessible. This here's a male flower, so I'm not going to bother. But over here, I actually like to peel off a little bit more of that flower. There's quite a bit of pollen, and that's what the ants are after. See, as you can see here, do that, and there's a lot of pollen. So, the end of this flower, that's where you want to get the pollen. Right in here, as well as you can. And there you have it. It should theoretically work. This flower wasn't open all the way. We'll see in a few days if it took. And kind of get all over. And there you go. A lot of the pollen is gone. So that's how you do it. I usually like to give the bees first dibs because look at that pollen. A lot of pollen. Lots of it. But seeing as there's no bees, that's what I do. You could take another flower to ensure it same way and do the same thing, but I'm just going to do it. Leave it with the one.